An eVisa is an online record of 1. Your immigration status. 2. The conditions of the type of permission you have to enter or stay in the UK. If you have access to an eVisa, you can prove your immigration status online. Instead of using a physical immigration document, before you start, you will need access to a smartphone, a mobile phone number, an email address, your BRP card or a valid passport with your BRP number or visa application number.
In this video, I will explain step by step how to apply for eVisa for UK. Let's start the video. Click first link. Get access to your eVisa. Drop down and click Start Now. Have you ever had a biometric residence permit (BRP)? Click Yes, then Continue. Do you still have your biometric residence permit (BRP) card? Click Yes, then Continue. Is your biometric residence permit (BRP) valid? Click Yes, then Continue. The next step is create a UK Visas and Immigration (UKVI) account. Please read all points, be careful. Then click Create an account. Who are you creating this account for? Click Me. Please put your given names and surname. What is your country of nationality? Please put nationality. Which identity document are you using? You can use biometric residence permit (BRP) or passport. I click Passport. Please enter your passport details. After, click Continue. After that, asking your date of birth. After that, asking your email address. Please put your email. Put security code, send it to your email address. Put your phone number. Send the code on your phone number. Please put security code. Do you want someone else to have access to your account? Click No. Account is created now. Now sign in. What identity document did you use when you created your account? I did use passport. Put your passport number. After, click Continue. Complete following task. Continue on the app. Download the app. Put connection code that you receive. You are connected to the app. I did passport. Please put passport number. Put all details. All done, your application submitted.